Okay, now I'd like to have a little practice of what we've just run through, and I'd like you to use this worksheet that I've put together to help you practice that. This will be attached to this week's work. If you can't access that, that's fine, because I've written everything up on sheets so that you can look at the sheets, and maybe if you just want to jot the answers down as you go along. So I'm going to give you time to think about it, write down your answer, and then I'll tell you the answer and write it up. Okay, so that's the idea. So let's just remind ourselves how to form the simple future. I will do. So can we remember how to form the stem? Let's remind ourselves we are not going to translate that word will. We are going to find a stem. We're going to find our stem. Now, what's the stem again? The stem is the infinitive of the verb. That's right. Well done. And to that, you are going to add your ending. And the ending for je is, it's AI, isn't it? So you're going to take your stem, which is the infinitive of the verb. Once you've got your subject pronoun, je, I, you've got your stem, which is the infinitive, and then you add your AI ending. And that means I will visit. Now, let's see if we can work out what these verbs mean. First stage is just to recognise and understand it, isn't it? So we've got je préparerai. Now, you will know what that means because it's a cognate, so to prepare. So what do you think je préparerai actually means? I will prepare. That's right, so well done if you got that. Let's write it in. I will prepare. Okay, let's look at number 2 now. Number 3. So you should know this verb jouer, you've done it lots. So je jouerai. Je jouerai au foot, je jouerai au cricket, je jouerai au tennis. Okay, so look at your previous examples to try and work it out. So I will play. Well done if you've got that. I will play. Now you may have already filled this in, having looked at the first stage of the video, in which case you can just mark your answers. If you haven't done that, then you can just work through it with me. Okay? So number 4, je parlerai. Parler. Can everyone remember what that means? That means to talk, to speak. So je parlerai will mean I will talk, I will speak. Okay, well done. Next one, number 5, numéro 5. Je danserai. Again, another verb you know because you've done it in your media topic. What do we think that means? I will dance. It's another cognate, isn't it? Right, so we now know how to recognise it. We've got a verb in the infinitive as the stem plus your AI ending. That's pretty simple to begin with. Right, you're going to have a go at forming some verbs yourself now. Okay, so you've been given an example. I will earn. We're just sticking to I will to begin with. So I will earn. Gagner is to earn. So it fits in with your jobs topic. So you're going to add to that infinitive your AI ending. So that's very simple because I've given you all the infinitive verbs to make it easy for you. So I will sleep. How are you going to express that? Okay, I'm going to write it up for you. It is je dormirai. So you've got your infinitive plus the AI ending. Okay, let's write that in. You can write that into your own sheet. If you haven't yet done that, excellent. So well done. Next one, I will work. Now, be careful with this verb, travailler. It's a false friend. It's one of those words where you think, oh yeah, I know what that means, and it doesn't mean what you think. It actually means to work, not to travel. Okay, so remember that. So I will work. Again, need your subject pronoun. What do you think that's going to be? Je travaillerai. Well done if you've got that. Je travaillerai. Okay. Let's move through these a bit more quickly now. So I will find will be je trouverai. Okay, so you've got the verb infinitive again. And I will leave. So leave a job or leave school. Je quitterai. Okay, again with your correct verb ending on the stem. And finally, étudier is to study, and that will be then. Now, you've got to be careful here because you've got je, but because it starts with a vowel, you're going to lose that E, because you can't have two E's together, two vowels. But obviously, you will get this E with the acute accent on from the verb. So, j'étudierai. J'étudierai, I will study. So if you've got that, well done.